Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious hot chocolate at home. First, gather your essential ingredients. You will need 1 cup of dairy milk, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a tiny pinch of salt. For the best flavor and texture, I recommend using whole milk. This ensures a wonderfully rich and creamy beverage. Now, let's create the perfect chocolate base. In a small saucepan, combine your 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder with the 2 tablespoons of sugar. Don't forget to add that small pinch of salt. It truly helps to bring out the deep chocolate notes. Whisk these dry ingredients together very well until they are fully combined and smooth. This step is crucial for a lump-free drink. Next, we'll gently combine and heat our ingredients. Slowly pour in your 1 cup of dairy milk into the saucepan with the dry mixture. As you pour, continuously whisk everything together until it is smooth and well incorporated. Place the saucepan over medium-low heat, stirring constantly. It is important not to let the mixture boil. Remove it from the heat just as small bubbles begin to form around the edges. Your homemade hot chocolate is now ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the warm, rich beverage into your favorite mug. This is where you can get creative with toppings. Consider adding a dollop of whipped cream, a handful of fluffy marshmallows, or a light dusting of cinnamon. For an extra layer of flavor, stir in about 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract right before serving. Enjoy your cozy, comforting drink.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.